here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the sunny smoothie bowl. So in my recent smoothie bowl video, I said that I wouldn't mind showing you guys how to make a banana-less smoothie bowl. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make one. I absolutely love this smoothie bowl because it's easy to make, it's super duper refreshing, and it makes me really happy because of the colour yellow. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so here are all my ingredients and equipment. So for the base of the smoothie bowl, I'm going to be using mango and pineapple. So I've got half a cup of mango here and I have a cup of pineapple. And then I've got some almond milk, but also you can use coconut milk because that also makes it really delicious. Or you can even use coconut water. I've got some honey here, I've got my spoon and a napkin, and then I've also got my blender. So yes, I'll be using my Nutribullet for this video as well. So I've got my blender cup here, and I'm going to add my frozen fruit. Okay, so I'm going to add my hard ingredients. Also, by the way, this is for one serving, so if you do want to make for more than one person, then I would just say to double it up. Next, I'm going to add my milk. So I've got more than half a cup of milk here, but I'm just going to add a bit, like that much. And I don't want to add too much because once you've added it at the beginning, you can't take it out. So it's better to keep on slowly adding, and then you can add, otherwise you can never take it out once you've added too much. Now our honey, I've got 1 teaspoon of honey here. You can also substitute honey to maple syrup, agave, or any sweetener you have, but to keep it healthy, you can use maple syrup, honey, or agave. I've got my napkin here and my spoon handy so that I can mix it up. So I'm going to secure this and I'm going to blend. So if you've seen my thick smoothie bowl video and there I used strawberry and banana, I said to blend with patience, and I'm going to say the same thing again. Yes, make sure you blend with patience because you don't want your blender to overheat. Okay, let's put it on and let's blend. Also slowly work your way through, so don't leave it on there for too long. Oh yeah, also I just blended this first time now, and we probably have to blend about like 4 to 5 times with these type of fruits like mango, pineapple, because they're quite chunky. So yeah, similar with coconut cubes as well, you have to blend for quite a while. But it makes like the thickest smoothie bowl, so trust me. Okay, same thing again, shake it, shake it, shake it. So I can see already that there's nothing stuck on the blades. When the smoothie that starts becoming thicker and it starts going on the blades, then I'll get my spoon and use it. Also, yeah, the spoons does the same thing. You can also use a spatula, similar thing to what the tamper does. That's the whole purpose. And then just repeat this until it becomes creamy, and when it's starting to get creamy, then start using your spoon. Starting to get creamy like this. It looks nice. So I'm going to scrape these sides with my spoon. Then I'm going to put the lid back on, and I'm going to blend, and then just repeat this until you've got it nice and creamy. Okay guys, so the smoothie bowl is now done. That was actually really quick. I've got my napkin and my spoon. Look at that, thick. This just looks so nice and it always makes me happy. I don't know, yellow, are you the same too? Yellow just makes me really happy. And this yellow is just beautiful. First I'm going to start off by just putting this part in from the blades. Also, do you guys want to see a smoothie test? You know, I actually might do that in this video. Okay, so I'm gonna see if this is gonna fall my head. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It didn't fall. Did you see that? So that's why you have to kind of take it out with a spoon. Whoa, thick. Now hopefully you can see better and clearer. Look at this. This looks amazing. I just love that swirl. Do you? It just looks so satisfying. And then I won't know if like that to you, but to me, when you do a swirl, it just looks super duper nice. So let me teach you how to do this one. So when your smoothie bowl is in a blob like this, all you have to do is kind of like press it down first, and this one's really thick, so you just need to press it down. So people do swirls different ways. Some people just do like this, decorate it, but the way I like to do my swirl is to kind of swirl around like this, and then duck it in like that. And look at that. That looks super duper good. I'm gonna show you guys from close up. Okay guys, look at this. Just look at it. It's so good, and I'm gonna eat it now. So I usually do add toppings, but today I think this is just even too good to even have toppings. So I'm just gonna say simple, but you can add toppings. Pomegranate seeds are amazing, but this alone is just perfect as well, and really refreshing. Look at this. Look close. Super duper thick. So refreshing. And I do have to say, this is definitely thicker than normal ice cream. If you guys want to see more smoothie bowl videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button, as well as to click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye!